Hello viewers, and in this class we are going to look at word problem leading to simultaneous equation. Okay, here we have a question before us. A cyclist cycle for S hours at 12 km per hour and Y hour at 18 km per hour. Altogether she cycles 78 km in 5 hours. Find X and Y. Here what we need to do is to see the formula that connects this equation. Here this is speed, and the formula for speed is distance all over time. Okay, that's the formula for speed. But here we see the equations. I say all together she circles 78 km in 5 hours. So our question will be expressed in as distance and time. Distance and what? And time. So that will be our the formation of our equations. And here we have our distance. Distance is our speed times time. So our distance here, we have two distance. The first one d1, the other one is d2. Then we also have the other part of the question that has to do with time. So and time, our time here, time is distance all over speed. So our time here will be, we have two time, which is t1 plus t2. This will form our equation 1 and 2. So t is equals to t1 plus t2. This is equation 1. And equation 2 is d is equals to d1 plus d2. This is equation 2. So time there, the total time is 5 hours. So here the first time is x, so it will be x plus y is equals to 5. This is equation 1. And our equation 2 is distance. The distance is usually what speed times time. So the first distance will be this is the time times the speed. That will give us 12x. And the second distance will be y times 18. So it will be 18y is equals to the total distance. The total distance here is 78 kilometers. So here this is equation 1 and equation 2. So d1 is 12x, d2 is 18y, yd is 78 kilometer. Okay, then t is 5, t1 is x, and our t2 is y. All these will enable us to obtain our equation. Now, having established the equation, the next thing is to what? Is to resolve these equations using any of the method. Okay, quickly let's make use of what we call the substitution method. So let's substitute y. So in this case, we'll make a y subject of the relation. So from equation 1, okay, make y subject of the relation. So here from equation 1 is x plus y is equals to 5. So y, so as x we move to the right hand side, become minus. So 5 minus x, this become equation 3. So what we need to do is to put this equation 3 into equation 2. So we put equation 3 into equation 2. And if we do that, this become 12x plus 18y. So y is now 5 minus x. So we multiply by 5 minus x. 18 times 5 minus 1. This will give us 78. Okay, here we distribute 18 over 5 minus x. That will give us 18 times 5. That's 90. 18 times minus x minus 18 x is equals to 78. The next thing is for us to collect like terms. To collect like terms here, this one simply means 12x minus 18x. This is plus 19. As it crosses this in equality sign, it will change to minus. So 78 minus 90. So 12x minus 18x, that will give us minus 6x is equals to minus what? 12. So the next thing, the coefficient of x here is minus 6. We divide both sides by minus 6. Minus 6, so that x will give us 2. Now we've gotten the value of x, so that means we can also obtain the value of y from equation 3. From equation 3, let's put s is equals to 2 into equation 3. So here we have y is equals to 5 minus 2, so that our y becomes 3. So here we can conclude that therefore our x is equals to 2, then y is equals to what? Equals to 3. So this is one way of resolving a simultaneous equation. Here the first thing you have to do is to see that the question is thoroughly understood. You express the question based on the sentence, and there you apply any of the method and then obtain your answer. Okay, please, all you need to do, help me subscribe and also share to other platforms. See, come your way with more of questions involving simultaneous equations, especially the one that usually lead to word problem that usually lead to simultaneous equation. Have a nice time.